Hey guys, it's Brianna and today I have a purple half cut crease. I added a little bit of rhinestones to it just because I love a little bit of sparkle. I can never say no to it. It was pretty easy to do actually. I sort of did it on accident. I really thought I was going to add some shimmer in here, but I kind of like the whole matte look. But you could definitely do that if you want to. This look is actually really versatile and you can do it with any color. Also, if you guys notice that I'm wearing a different shirt, it's because I actually had to do this look twice because yesterday I filmed the tutorial and I don't know what happened, but I forgot to film an intro and an outro, which is crazy. So I threw the shirt away because it fit really weird and it only worked for the video and I thought that I wouldn't need it again, but here I am having to redo it. So if you notice that, then just find your business. And yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching.
Okay, so I'm starting with the James Charles palette, and I'll be taking that darkest purple color, and I'm going to take a blending brush and really pack that in my crease. You can see here it's doing something weird where it's looking kind of patchy, and that is honestly just because I cleaned my brush with a spray-on brush cleaner, and it's supposed to dry instantly, but I didn't wipe it enough, so just ignore it. I'll fix it. So you can see I'm really packing on the color. It doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to cover that with concealer, but I do want that purple to stand out when we do that. So just make sure you get a really good color payoff. And next I'm going to be taking this hot pink and this baby pink, and I'm just going to mix the two shades with a Jaclyn Hill blending brush, and I'm going to buff that directly over that purple shade just to kind of blend it in with my brow bone skin tone. And then I'm just going to cheat and sharpen the edge with my finger because I really do want it to be a nice sharp line. Here I'm taking my Jane Iredale flat brush and my MAC Pro-Longwear concealer in the shade NC20. I just do a quick eye roll looking up, and that marks the perfect spot to do my cut crease. I did use a little bit more concealer on this side than the other side, so it will show up a little bit lighter. I don't love that because it sort of gets rid of the lavender look that I was doing, but you'll see that I'll take some eyeshadow and kind of fix it. I sort of forgot what I was doing for half a second, so don't mind me. But yeah, the intent was, and you can see it's still kind of there, it's not completely white like the concealer. The intent was to have enough purple eyeshadow that it would make the concealer turn lavender on its own, which is what happened with the other eye, but I kind of messed up, so we'll fix that in a bit. But right now I'm just taking the darkest shade again on the outer corner, then I'll go in with the middle lavender shade and sort of just fix that on the lid. Okay, and I'm pretty happy with that, so I'm going to be taking some little gems that I got on Amazon. I'll be doing lavender ones, but like I said, you can do this with any color, so it's pretty cute if you just match it with the color that you're wearing. I'll put 3 little dots with some lash glue on the outer edge, and then as you can see, I just use the easy picker upper tool thing, don't know what it's called, and I'll place those on top of the glue. Now I'm just prepping my lashes for the strip lashes that I'll be using, so I'm just quickly curling them, and then I'll go in with my Laura Mercier mascara. So now I'm going to be taking my So Wispy lashes from Kiss, and I'll just pop them on real quick. You can see the difference that the eyeliner makes right now, so I'm going to quickly curl that just to blend my natural lashes, and then I will go in with my Maybelline Blackest Black gel liner. I truly love this eyeliner. I used to do the MAC Black Track fluid liner, and this one is darker in my opinion and a million times cheaper, so go with this one. Trust me, it works. This is where we're at now, and I will be going in and adding a little rhinestone in the inner corner right before I put some eyeshadow that I use on top on the bottom. I am starting with that Jane Iredale brush, trying to get it to look a little bit lavender on its own, but again, since I put too much concealer on, it's not working out too hot, so I will go in and just use the shadows that I used earlier. So I'm just taking a very light pink lavender shade just to kind of lay it down, and I'm using a smudge brush because I feel like that really helps pack the shade on and get it as tight to my lash line as I can. Now I'm taking a couple shades from the Morphe Jewel Tone 9J Just a Crush. I'm going in with that darkest purple there, and also the one under it, which is a little bit lighter of a berry. And I'll just be taking my Sigma E06 brush, and I'm really defining that half cut crease. And then I'm just going in with a clean blending brush and smoothing it out a little bit so it's not entirely obvious. Oh, and here comes another awkward close-up. Yep, just putting some mascara on the bottom lash line. And then I'm just going back in with my NYX Espresso eye pencil and finishing off my brows, and then the look is done. That's it. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you saw that doing a half cut crease really is not as intimidating as it looks. It's just all really in that eye roll.
Okay, and this is the final look. Like I said earlier, this look is super versatile and you can do this with any color that you want to. I will say that you definitely should go a little bit heavier with the dark here, just so that when you use the concealer, it sort of melts into the shadow and creates this look a little bit more. It will just help with the color payoff a little bit. That being said, I think that's everything, and I hope you guys liked this video, and let me know if you liked me starting off with one eye already done, because it did shorten the video, but I don't know if I like that or not. So just let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.